Greetings class, the purpose of this video is to provide you with a brief overview of your first experiential learning opportunity. For this experiential learning opportunity, you will conduct an interview with an individual from a community, organization, or service. There are a number of different opportunities for you. This may include a public health department, a food pantry, Salvation Army, a faith-based service organization, a community integrated living arrangement, home care. Those are just a few ideas. But you will conduct an interview with a community organization who serves a population who experiences challenges with health equity, health disparities outside of your own organization or place of employment. Prior to the interview, you will contact the organization and arrange for a time to complete the interview, and you will craft at least 5 questions. At a minimum, you will cover the topics, including population served, services provided, organizational collaboration, gaps in services or unmet needs, policies that impact or govern the organization, ethical issues experienced by the organization. You may conduct the interview over the phone or face to face. So again, please do at a minimum cover those topics that I just described: the population served, services provided, organizational collaboration, gaps in services, and policies that impact or govern the organization, as well as ethical issues experienced by the organization. You will craft questions centered around those topics. To earn 3 experiential learning hours, you will again arrange for the interview, you will craft the interview questions, and you will complete the interview and research at least one policy that impacts the population served, examine the ethical issue experienced within the literature, and complete a reflection on the experience. To earn 10 points for this assignment or your reflection, your responses should be clear, substantive, and demonstrate a significant understanding of the topic. The form that you will complete for this assignment is here. Again, those topic areas are listed. You will identify each question as well as the respondent's response. You will identify the policy as well as the ethical issue identified, and then share your reflections. Again, successful completion of this assignment will earn you 3 experiential learning hours, and you can earn a maximum of 10 points per the syllabus for this assignment. If you have any questions or any concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.